Well, hello YouTube and welcome back everyone. Well, today I'm trying to see how well this one's gonna run. Let's see. Oh no, I put it on the wrong track. Hold on a second while I move it. Okay, well now we got it. Let's see, but we're gonna have to move this. I don't know, that glare might be in there. I may have to put the garage door down, so let's let that run and so well, once again, I want to say hello to everyone. Um, Welcome back to all of my subscribers, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. We're running this one today just to check to see how these are running, because all of those cars that are on there now, I've worked on to make them work. So they're operational and they're not too bad. Hold on a second. Now that'll take care of the glare. So this is what we've been doing the last few days, is taking care of a lot of those cars that are on the track right now on the layout, changing wheels and couplers and getting rust off of the wheels, because some of those ones that were gifted to me by one of the eBay sellers. So yeah, they're not too bad. And I've been trying to clean up a little bit as well. No Christmas music today, but next video we'll play some Christmas music. So I hope everyone is enjoying this little short video. You can like and subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you think about the layout, or even my content, if there's something you want to see or don't want to see. Let me know. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a blessed day. Monday before Christmas. So I hope everyone's having a great holiday to come, and I hope you all have a blessed and good Christmas. This year is almost over. So, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you come back to see me again. Thanks for watching. See you later, and bye for now. Take care.